Okay, voiceover. Yep, let's just get into this lane. Just make me stop dead in my tracks. It's great. Yep. Somebody's coming up on the right. Yep. Let's just zoom right past almost on the shoulder. What's gonna happen here? Yep, this guy goes past on the right. The truck in front of him almost went into the right lane. There could have been a pile up right in front of me. Oh, bird. That was a hawk. Oh, yield. This is a very good example of yielding. When you listen to a yield sign.
Okay, Garmin.
Moron.
Save video.
Let's just zoom right through.
Okay, Garmin. Which was kind of nice.
What's he gonna do? Yep, that's not close at all. Let's not look.
Save video.
Oh, we're gonna go all the way over. Oh, great. Oh, we're gonna take the exit too.
You fucking scumbag mother.
Sick. I don't know what that maneuver is, but it's way too common. What are we gonna do? Oh, we gotta go over too.
Okay,
I don't know what this maneuver is, but it's dangerous.
Save video.
Right here is the sinkhole. This is the third time it's opened up in like 3 years. They're gonna fix it, I'm sure. This is the last time it'll be a sinkhole, I'm sure of it.
Well, that's fighting fire with fire. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
That was a great maneuver all the way up there. Left lane, right lane, back to the freaking exit ramp. This is a heavy merge area, so I got in the left lane. Yep. Impatience. Let's just make it real tight and close. It's always shitbox slow cars that do it. Oh yeah, let's just... I need to be there right now. When you slam on your brakes, you're not 80,000 pounds. I haul heavy a lot. Generally, the truck's at 80,000 all the time. Let's not look. And it ended very great. Oh, we get over. I'll slam on the brakes, then get into the turning lane. If you're gonna do it, you might as well just go for it, bro. This is New Jersey ignorance. Ambulance, you can clear as day see it, barreling down the road, and they all got to keep going. 3 cars got to keep going. I heard it from a mile away. Yep, motorcycle gets onto the highway, goes all the way to the left lane. That guy had the same idea, but almost took him out. That guy coming from the right. Is he going to yield? What do you think? Probably not. I gotta get in front of every truck. Me first mentality. What's this guy gonna do in the van? Oh, okay. We'll get in front of you, really close. And we're slamming on the brakes. Exit ramp.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh, that's a nice safe
Garmin.
distance away
Save video.
to start turning in.
Save video.
Oh, you're gonna slow down too. That's great. I saw this truck hauling pumpkins. It has a couple straps over, but the pumpkins are mounted up real high. Like they're not gonna fly off of there. Guaranteed you didn't lose any on the way up. Oh, yep, zoom right in.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh, exit ramp again. It's like the maneuver in the video. Just zoom across 2 lanes. Yeah, same thing. Zoom right in. This guy was trying to get in too. They could have piled up a little bit if that was a little bit further up the ramp. Oh, great. School bus passing on the right.
Save video.
Kid safety, number 1. That person should be jailed in the school bus. Let's just do this in a lifted F-350. Across 3 lanes. tanker in the way right. I'm gonna pass on the shoulder here. I remember this video. Yep, I'm gonna pass on the shoulder.
Okay, Garmin.
Puts his left turn signal on like it's a lane. He's gonna try and dip into the fast lane.
Right on the shoulder. Oh, he's
Sees the
just
crash
going
truck,
that fucking lane.
backs out of it.
That's why they got crash trucks.
He's just in a major rush. Oh, me first. Pass on the shoulder. Screw everybody. Oh, box truck. Gets on the highway.
Of course he's gonna fucking go.
Skips a lane.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh, what's he gonna do?
Fucking loser.
Oh, I bet he's gonna take one more. Yep.
You're gonna change lane again.
Wow.
It's not a fucking
I have to
lane.
get in front of the truck.
You're in the
Have to,
okay,
have to,
Garmin.
have to.
Save video.
But I think that strategically clear.
And
With
then
our
just
allies and
party
with our
and lollygag in the right.
lines all through priorities.
Either go or don't go in that scenario. You gotta yield or just hammer down.
Scumbag. Okay,
Let's
Garmin.
just, oh,
Save
we're
video.
gonna slam on the brakes.
Okay, Garmin.
That was
Save
close.
video.
These T-balls are normally
Okay, Garmin.
all systems
Save
based.
video.
The reason I'm in addition to as well
I don't think that was the lane where he came from.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Unnecessary.
That was unnecessary.
Slam on the brakes. Oh no, this is what it is. Get on the highway right back off.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Didn't even see this guy till it was almost too late. Just sitting there, hanging out. I can't see you over there, bud.
Okay, Garmin.
Let's go for it. Oh, I'm gonna get over too. Both of them. On the shoulder.
Okay,
That guy
Garmin.
kept going.
Save video.
I don't know if he was doing it to screw with him or if he just didn't see him either. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes. Then the exit ramp. So technically 5 lanes. I zoomed across. Oh,
Okay, Garmin. Save
almost
video.
sideswiped the car. He saw me. He was worried about me. He wasn't worried about the car. Needs to get across the exit ramp. Skip the exit. Just take the next one, dude. You almost caused a major
Okay,
pileup
Garmin.
from the center lane across another lane to get to a turning lane to the